Hello there. We've got another unboxing today. I've been putting this one off a little bit because I thought it might take a while, judging by the picture on the front. This is the winter Artful box, and it's, well, I'm not sure if this is a clue to it or whether it's actually, this is a sneaky thing, but we will dive in and have a look. Wow, that's very exciting. It's a very heavy one, but this quarter, it's very heavy this quarter. This one is like a solid box of stuff. As I say, this is a solid box of stuff. And let's see what's in here. Ooh, regular new content throughout the quarter. We release new content which you can access via Artful. Upgrade your box. We'll show you what. Ooh. Okay, so we've got a very nice looking little set here. What have we got? Box within box. We got a little squeegee. Oh, that's a firm squeegee. He's very firm. So we got a squeegee. We have got some Artful acrylic yellow. Artful black. Artful blue. Electric blue. No. Acrylic red. We got a little nubbin here. What's in the nubbin? What's in the nubbin? Oh, it's some cards. Always some cards. No, what's in this? So much tissue paper. Oh, the art masking fluid, which we've had from them before, so that's quite cool. So I know I've got at least 2 bottles of this stuff. So I probably won't use this one. I'll probably use the one I've already opened because otherwise it's a bit wasteful. We've got ooh, a silk screen. Wow, that's so fine. It's got a bit of cardboard dust on it. We kind of expect that. Oh, that's a really fine one though. Look at that. Wow, that's quite a nice one. That one. Put that to one side. What else do we have? Oh, we have a pretty brush. A number 2 Artful, and we have a little tab to pull this one out. Got some suitable watercolor pencil, pen, ink, calligraphy, so a mixed media pad, which makes sense because it got texture. It has a little bit of texture on it, so that's cool. Let's have a look. What else do we have? Oh, so many things! Such excitement! It's a full box today. Oh, what is this? Oh. God damn it, light! Sorry about that. That noise with me banging my headphones on the light. What is this? Oh, I'm assuming if I can open this. These are stencils. Oh, so they're, yep, definitely stencils. Look, interesting. Her letters. Cool. Not sure how useful that's going to be, but okay. Yeah. Sticky stencils. I'm assuming they're reusable vinyl stencils. And obviously I have a Cricut machine so I can make my own vinyl stencils as well. That's pretty cool. So you can make your different size frames, so you can make them whatever size you like. I'm assuming one of these fits the, yep, one of these fits the cards. Clever. Right, and then we have unleash your creativity. Unleash it, I say. Let's learn about screen printing and other stuff. Wow. Screen printing. I'm definitely going to have to put something down before I try this bad boy out. I know that much for nothing, but that is a very cool box of stuff. Wait, there's more. All the step-by-step tutorials. Wow, it is a nice screen. Brief history of screen printing. Tutorials. Meet the little friends of printmaking. Okay, cool. I'll have a think. Right, so you listen to me flicking through a book for like 4 minutes there for some reason. Yeah, but that's really cool. So let me get the box out of the way so I can show you again. We have, right, let me show you again. Screen. 1, 2, 3, 4 pots of ink, 1 brush, some masking fluid. Oops, try and do it where you can see it. Some masking fluid. There. Masking fluid. You got the cards. You got squeegee. You obviously got the book. You got all these stencils. So you got letter stencils. You got 2 outline stencils, which makes it easier for you to make a nice tidy square print. You've got these weird little boxes. You've got letters. You've got shapes. Obviously, what you can do is use things like washi tape or what have you to mask off this place. So I'm going to have a little think about what I want to make, and I will come back to you VV shortly. Thank you very much, and I shall see you later.